Hey YouTube, Mark here, and in this video I'm going to show you the UNI 8-in-1 USB hub or dock. Around the box you will have the specifications for the hub on the back. I will go over with them when I open it up. So let's not waste any time and just get right into it. Now I know there's a lot of USB hubs out there on the market, but I'm going to show you why I believe this hub right here is one of the best, if not the best hub that I have found. So let's get right into it. This was a Kickstarter project a few months ago. They are selling them now. You can pick this up on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. I believe it's selling for $45 right now, which is a really good price. At first it was $65, but I believe there's a discount on it right now. I don't know for how long, but at the recording of this video, you can get it for, I believe, $45 on Amazon. So inside here, very eco-friendly packaging. Here is the hub itself. You get another protective case and the Type-C cable. And that is why this USB hub is unique and I feel is the best one that I have used or purchased, because you are able to put any length cable you want on it. It's not a fixed cable like most of them are. Most of them have a fixed cable, or they're made for the MacBooks where they had the Type-C connector that you plug it on the side of your laptop. But with this hub, you could, and the cable they include is a really nice thick braided cable and has these really nice grips on the connector to pull it off or push it in. But it's a really nice cable, and if I want to hook up a longer cable, I can, and move this out of the way. That's why I like this. Now you can take this cover off, and like it comes with the gray and the blue being my favorite color. This is the one I'm going to be using. Taking a look, you have two USB 3 ports. You have your standard SD card slot. You have your micro SD card slot. This side, you have your 1 gigabit capable internet. You have another USB 3 port. You have your HDMI input that I believe can handle 4K 30. And also your charge, which this can handle 100 watt power delivery charge. So you can use this with your MacBook Pros. And here is your Type-C input. It is made of aluminum. It's very, very nice constructed. Very small too. I like the size of this. And then when you add on the protective cover, it's just a really, really nice package. And for the price, I couldn't pass it up. That's how it looks like with the blue protective cover on. You take your cable. I put it on the wrong way. That failed. But anyway, that is the UNI 8-in-1 hub. I will leave a link in the description to check it out if you like. If you like this video, please like and consider subscribing if you like my content, and have a great day.